Hey guys, today is my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus drop test. It works, but it's past the screen, so I use it and to the video. It's gonna be some so you got thrown in it. So here we go. So do the drop test is running Android 11. It's gonna be time. Okay, let's get started. First off, then a backdrop eraser. 3, 2, 1. Here's the backdrop. There's some corrector on the side and so front away side. 3, 2, 1. So here's the corrector itself, and yeah, here's a button drop erase. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that's cracked on that. Pretty favorite there. It works. And a top drop erase side. 3, 2, 1. Okay. That job erase side. 3, 2, 1. So here's the that erase side. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we gotta be cracked. High upper drop test. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so step phone erase side. 3, 2, 1. Oh god, it's gonna be cracked, like camel lens cracked. So, Unicrest, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, there's broke one. Snap up, 3, 2, 1. Oh god, there was broke one. Let's turn it on. What? Some gloves in it. Take a gloves on, I don't want to get caught in my blood. So, yes. I don't want to reset video. It's gotta be cracked or somewhere. It cracked. Stop at 3, 2, 1. So here's a one then. Stop at 3, 2, 1. So no, so good luck to them and just cracked all. 7, 9, 2, 1. Oh, it cracked. So it's gotta be all that bit cracked. Back and wait, fine, super back and wait, so 3, 2, 1. You cracked. So, ow. So, it's gotta be, you cracked. Okay, it's cracked. Okay. Okay. So that was it broke. Now every 2, 1. Okay. 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 Now gotta be cracked. Summer. Okay. Snap it. Eat broke. Stick on the box. Oh, good. Got my web charger. Okay. And it. Yep, I'm only broke. Okay. And one more drop. Oh. And one more drop. 3, 2, 1. So, now we'll move on to the bend test. Let's do the bend test. It's gonna be bent. Now it's pull onto the always, by the way. Just put onto there. Let's get a bend test. Here we go. Okay. Oh gosh! Oh, don't blow the battery. Oh. Holy shit. That one blowed it. That one's blowed the battery.
Okay. Don't drop any more then.
Do you know?
Where's the glass gone? Ollie, don't do that. If the don't bend the battery. Don't bend the battery.
Okay.
Yeah, don't bend the battery.
Boy's blowed it.
Yeah. There you go. Don't no! Don't bend the battery.
Oh shit. Oh, can I have my phone?
Wait.
Ah. Okay. The battery is loaded. Okay. That one exploded. Oh dear. Probably blowed it. I'm going. Just feeling you back in the inside. Oh. I don't want you to do the copyright. Oh dear, that's one way. Can we move away?
What?
Oops, I just filmed it on my phone.
What have you done now? What, just now?
Yeah. Did you film it, Ollie? Show Mummy.
Is it dead now, the battery?
The battery, I had to put it out with water. It caught on fire. Where do you want your tea? Over there, Claire? I'll put it over where you sit. You can drink it or not drink it, I don't care.
Oh, right, fine, I'm just coming. Give me 2 seconds, I'm just trying to...
What are you going to do? Sit in Ollie's chair? Sit in Mummy's chair?
No, I'm just getting out of the way.
Sit, guys. I'm going to sit on my stand instead.
Oh, you're going to sit in Mummy's chair? Okay, fine.
Okay. That's very hot.
Well, it's going to be hot with the battery, isn't it?
No, the coffee's really hot.
Ollie, in that drawer, can you pass me the screwdriver, please? Drawer there. The drawer there, right in front of you.
Oh.
The drawer. No, that's not a drawer. There, where you sit down. Put your hand out. The drawer that's there, right in the drawer. No, down. 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 That one. Can you pass me the screwdriver that's in there, please? Thank you. Oh. Thank you. Now you can
You're
close
welcome.
it. Close the drawer.
Okay. Now just load it. Yep, battery's failed. Battery's overheated. There we go. Am I right?
Just hit my leg.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and then
Where are you off to?
and there we go.
I haven't finished over there yet, is that Ollie?
Okay, so thank you guys. Sorry, Mom. So thank you guys for watching. Just comment, subscribe, and always, and thanks for watching, and always peace out.